Alright, so if you're after a good pair of headphones, then you might want to check out the 1More Sonoflow headphones, which I think are an awesome option. In this video, here are 5 things that you should know about the 1More Sonoflows. Let's get started. So the 1More Sonoflows have been on the market for a while now, and I just want to show you guys some of their features as well as my experiences while using these headphones. Now, while these were sent over to the channel, I did not receive any financial sponsorship or compensation for this video. If you want to check these out, I will drop some links in the description below, as well as links to our other 1More content here on TeamVRY. With that out of the way, let's get started. Alright, so first off, let's talk about how much the headphones are going to cost. You can grab the 1More Sonoflows for around £89 in the UK, but they can sometimes go on sale for as low as £75. This makes them a lot more affordable than other competing products, which are usually priced above £100 and more. Alright, so unboxing the Sonoflow headphones, you do get a nice carrying case in addition to the headphones themselves, a 2.5 to 3.5mm headphone cable, a USB Type-C charging cable, and some additional paperwork. It's a pretty straightforward package and it comes with everything you need to get started. I also like that it does come with a carrying case, which you usually don't get with headphones at this price point. In terms of design, the Sonoflows do have a premium look to them, and I do like the red accents in the ear cups, which are a nice contrast with the black and gray color scheme. The headband does extend for a better fit, and the ear cups swivel as well, so they fit more comfortably when you're using them. As for controls, the right ear cup contains the power switch, ANC button, and your volume buttons. There's also a port for the audio cable in case you want to use the headphones with a wired connection. Meanwhile, the left ear cup does come with the USB-C charging port. The headphones were pretty easy to set up with Bluetooth, and I was able to use them with the 1More app for smartphones. The app does let you tweak the transparency settings on the headphones and even access different sound profiles with an option to customize your own. Of course, you can also use the headphones through a wired connection, in which case the bundled cable comes in handy. As I mentioned earlier, it is not a standard 3.5mm audio cable, as one end is a smaller size. For full disclosure, I am not a hardcore audio expert, but as a simple end user who's looking for a relatively good sounding pair of headphones, I do think that the Sonoflows sound great in general. There's a decent bass sound, although it doesn't really overpower the mids and highs, with a decent balance overall. ANC also works nicely, although it's only accessible if the headphones are used wirelessly. Connecting the Sonoflows to an audio jack does turn off the headphones, so you won't be able to access any of the transparency settings on them. The headphones do come with built-in microphones for video calls, and here's a quick sample of what they sound like when paired to an Android phone. Hey guys, so right now I'm using the 1More Sonoflow headphones as the default microphone for this video. They are connected to my Pixel 7. And this is how they sound like when connected to a smartphone, particularly when using the microphone. So yeah, let me know what you guys think in the comments below. As for battery life, you can get up to 70 hours of use with the headphones wirelessly, although this is with ANC turned off. It also supports fast charging, so a quick 5-minute charge with the USB-C port can get you up to 5 hours of playtime. Alright, so in closing, I do think that the 1More Sonoflow headphones are worth the price, especially considering that they usually go for less than 100 quid. They come with a solid and comfortable design, the option of going wired or wireless for music sessions, active noise cancellation, long battery life, and most importantly, they sound good. Alright guys, so that does it for this quick video. Let us know what you think in the comments below, and don't forget to watch our other videos here on TeamVRY. As always, thanks all for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.